Hi everybody, it is Robin Monique from Robin Monique's Beach Life. If you want to hear more after our video today, please hit the subscribe. I believe it's a bell. So, can you really make money online and does it really work? This is a question that we get a lot. He does especially. A lot. So, how can you make money online? And does it really work?
It does work. And you know what? She's right. It is a common question we've been getting asked a lot. And that's why we wanted to do a video on some of the different ways, different way you can partner and, you know, what it really looks like for beginners. So, you know what? I did a little bit of research. Some of the people that I follow, you guys can Google these people up. Number one is Neil Patel. Okay, he's been around for a while. I believe he worked for Google, but he holds conferences and he runs coaching programs. But this guy is an online guru and he is really good. So he's like probably in the top 3, I would say, in the world. He is between 5 and 7 million net worth, this guy. And, you know, it's an automated thing, just like all these online systems are. Number 2 was Pat Flynn. Which this guy was actually an architect in 2008 and he got laid off. So he figured out a way to make money online and he is crushing it too. He had an ebook, I think when he first started, and he was about
Gotta start somewhere.
$20,000-$30,000 a month just with this ebook. And that's what kind of got it going. Number 3 was John Chow. Not really sure of his backstory too much. He's just one of the ones that came up on the list. Number 4 is a guy that I follow and I just think he's amazing, and he's really done a lot of stuff on YouTube. He does, you know, many different things. I think he has about 15 different streams of income between him and his wife, Miles Beckler. Yeah. So check these guys out. You know, this system really does work. And you know, what are some of the different partnerships that you could do when you're thinking about, this is, you know, more for beginners, when you're thinking about starting online? What are some of the partnerships that you could look at to get started, you know, a lot easier than doing it on your own?
There's a few out there and it can get overwhelming for people. But there's e-commerce, there's drop shipping, there's different coaching programs. There is your creation of your own products. You can actually take the course to then be taught how to create your own products, to then market them and then drop ship them. So it's different. There's affiliate marketing. There's a number of different partnerships. And I guess there is a reason that we say partnerships maybe first for beginners, right?
Yeah, exactly. There's a lot to this, you guys. You know what? We started about, we started marketing about 3 years ago, but specifically online, about the last 14, 13 months.
Yeah, just over a year.
And you know what? It was such a learning curve, and we're learning so much. So if there's anything we can share and help you with, that's what we're here to do. And maybe take some of those months away and questions and some of the struggles and, you know, some of the money we wasted that we didn't have to on marketing. You know what? So if you're a beginner, I would strongly recommend find a partnership, find an affiliate. You know, if you're into the Amazon drop shipping, all that kind of thing, then that's great too. Yeah. Find someone to partner up with that has a system in place that's proven. And you know, look at a system that's going to work for you. Yeah. You know, and do your research. You know, what fits with you? What are you passionate about? What do you love? You know, what are your interests and hobbies? Figure that out and make sure that this system that you choose fits with your lifestyle and your values. Yeah. You know, what are some of the other things that they could look for while they're researching these systems?
How much money do you want to make? Mm-hmm. You know, there's people out there that just want to make an extra $500 because they're saving for a trip. Maybe this is something that you want to leave your job, right? So how much money do you want to make? And does that coincide with how much time you want to commit?
Yeah.
Right? I would love to make $30 million a month, but I've only got so many hours in that month. So it has to make sense, right? All of this stuff, when you put it together, I'm a big person on what you're passionate about. You gotta love what you do. So you have to love it, because if you don't, that comes out in how you work your business. It comes out in when you're talking to people. So it's that part is really important, your interests, your passions, and all of that.
Absolutely. Right? Yeah. And this isn't a sprint, this is a marathon. You know what, make sure you love this, because you're going to be doing this for a long time. And I mean, for us, it's been addictive for me, and you know, we now see steady income. After 6 months, we started seeing steady income every single month, and it just keeps getting better and better. Yeah. So when that money starts to come, boy, it really makes you want this more and more. You know, that lifestyle freedom, the ability to work from anywhere, to just fire your boss and get out of that 9 to 5 and that daily commute, and you know, just trading time for money. So that's exactly what, you know, where we're heading. So make sure you love it, do something you love, and partner with it with a great partnership, and find a system that's proven. You know, that would be our advice.
And if you want more advice, if you want more of our input, you know, like we said, subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Rob and Monique's Beach Life. We love sharing what we do.
Absolutely, and we're going to continue to do videos like this. Maybe you have something we'd like to cover. Put it in the comments, and we'll have a look and do our best to add some value back to you. So have a great day. Thanks for checking us out.
Bye.